Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you this like this here. Click here on profile, then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. You just click here on settings here. So then you come to this list here, just go down here. Then you click here on notification filter, just click on it. You come to this list here, come here to your content is featured here, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean your content is featured. Enable with us now, go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.